Okay guys, okay, I'm doing this wing on my integra over there. Okay, waited like a little bit over 2 months for it to get here, and finally here. So right now I'm gonna figure out how to mount it on it. I'll have to make some kind of brackets or some shit. It's got this little bit, or you can, and got one hole in there. You got this little bit here so you can bolt it up, I'm guessing, on both sides. But I don't know, I feel like it's gonna break or something. So I was thinking maybe if there's some kind of metal plate, they can put it on top of it and sandwich this shit against the hatch. But first I'm gonna take out the stock wing on the integra, and that way I can see if this lines up with one of the holes that it has already, and that way I can make something. So yeah, by the way, I'm recording with my phone, so it's gonna be crappy quality probably. So yeah, I'm gonna go take off the stock wing for now. Okay, so we'll take these two on each side. There's gonna be one in the middle. I mean, yeah, I think it's just one. So yeah, small that shit. Okay, so there's that last one. Somewhere in there. Finally have it. So I took this whole shit out for nothing. Whatever, there it is. So here it is without the wing. Put all these plastics back together. Okay, stock wing is off, but now it started fucking raining. What the hell? Okay, so I have an idea. Just gonna chop this off of this. Maybe grind it a little bit so it'll fit on that. And I'll just make the holes over there. And I'll just use this to sandwich the wing with it, and just use the same nuts and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna fucking chop this shit off and see if it works. Okay, this right here is probably my fucking best investment. I use it a lot. Anyways, it was only 20 bucks at Walmart. Anyways, to cut this shit off, it's got these weird things on the back. I'm gonna have to like shave it right here on the sides, so that way it can fit behind, right there. So basically what I'm trying to do is use this like this. Just make 2 holes. That way I don't have to make no bracket, nothing like that. So now I gotta measure it, see how far behind or in front of the wing, like this, I need it. So I'm gonna start making the holes on it. Okay, so got this. I used some paper to mark this area under the wing, and I measured on the car so I can see how I was gonna sit it down, and I can shave this shit down so I'll fit behind like this. And I'm gonna use the same bolts that it came with. So I did that on both sides. So now I'm gonna go and put it on and see if I measure it right. See if this fucking thing I use work. Okay, it worked. There we go. Damn. She looks nice. So there you go, guys. I just used this, shaved it down, use some paper to mark the wing for the hose. Yeah, that was it. I was originally planning on covering this with plastic dip so I can match the car's crappiness. I was gonna make it look crappy, so match the car. But it's not that noticeable. It doesn't stand out from the car, so I'll leave it that way. So there you go, guys. That's the video for the JDP hiro wing, whatever. So yep, that was it.